The number one double wear foundation tip is how to make double wear look glowy. How to make it really, really comfortable for dry skin especially. Now this is going to be your perfect pair and your secret double wear hack. Mixing double wear foundation in with advanced night repair is our number one tip that we give to absolutely everybody who wants to customize their double wear if they have dry skin and they feel like double wear could be a little bit more mattifying, but they still want the 24-hour wear and all of the great benefits that come with double wear. So I can't wait to show you this hack. It's absolutely amazing and it's a must-have. It's a must-know. Let's do it together. 2 and 1, we're going to use my tried and true, my true match color today. A little bit of double wear, I can put it on the back of my hand, and then I just take just a little dropper full of advanced night repair, and I'm gonna do 2 drops. 2 drops because I don't wear too much foundation in the first place, so I'm just gonna mix it up. Okay, and mixing in a primer, mixing in a serum, mixing in a moisturizer is not going to dilute the coverage. It's also not going to dilute the wear time. So you're still going to get a beautiful buildable medium to full coverage, and you're also going to get the full 24-hour wear. This is just going to give you a much more hydrated look and finish, which is great. Okay, so I take it on my discontinued, unfortunately, Estee Lauder powder brush number 3, and then I can just press it and work it around. Yeah, I'm still 2 and 1. It's okay. So you'll just notice that it feels more hydrating on the skin. It gives you more of a glow. You can see that. It doesn't look as matte, but you still have amazing coverage, the best coverage ever. And you also still have a really even, beautiful finish. And you can just go around just like this. So easy. Really, really beautiful. Very comfortable as well. Now this is, again, like I said, our absolute number one double wear tip. So that just goes to show you exactly how versatile and how wearable double wear actually is. I didn't even use all that I put on my hand. Still gave me incredible coverage. And then now I can go in with my concealer and just do a little bit of concealing of any blemishes, and that's it. Now moving on to double wear concealer, my absolute favorite concealer. So the color that I normally wear, which I got a lot of questions about in my last video. If you haven't watched my last video, I highly recommend that you do because it shows you how to get the absolute perfect color match in double wear. And then I also talk about the concealer as well, as I will now. This is 1W. This is the shade that I normally use. If I wanted to go any lighter or possibly brighter, 1C would be a really great choice. Now, I don't recommend going too light with concealer. That's my own personal preference. And also because I don't put too much on. And what I really want to do is make my skin look quite even. I don't want to have a stark contrast from under my eyes or if I spot conceal any blemishes. I don't like having 2 different concealers, one for under the eye, one for on the face. So I want the color to be the same. All right, it has a really great applicator, just like this. And what I can do is just go here. I just go in the deepest, hollow, most shadowed area, which is just there under my eyes. I want to make sure that I can blend that out. And then I might go a little bit here and a little bit here because I have a little blemish there, okay? This is where the magic happens. So then I can just take this as an Estee Lauder artist brush. So these are also not for sale, but this is like a crease eyeshadow brush. And I can just go like this. I love to pat this concealer in wherever I need it. It's really easy. It's definitely a fuller coverage. It's definitely a matte finish, so I always recommend doing a little tiny bit and then going from there. If you need more, you can always add more, but I like to go as light as possible, and then I'll go in and just pat with my fingertip as well. I don't normally have dry under eyes. If you do experience dryness under the eyes, or if you feel like concealer does tend to get more dry when you apply it under your eyes, possibly put on an eye cream before you apply this concealer. I can take my fingertip and I can just press it in. You can see the coverage is incredible. Started! Add your blush, bronzer, anything else that you'd love to wear for your complexion, and you're done. Seriously, these 3 products created the absolute perfect base makeup for any day, for anyone, for any skin type. Completely stunning, and like I said, it will last like this the entire day. It will look completely flawless and glowy and wonderful, and it will feel comfortable as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this hack. I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial. Let me know if you've tried this combo together, or let me know if you're going to try it now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.